Hello, so karon ma-discuss ta about sa kaning networking yapon siya. So there is natay introduction to systems and network administration steps 1 to 3. So ang activity na gibutang is discussion, then natay mga learning objectives. Then dire ma-dikon ni siya more PowerPoint siya pero gibutang lang siya dire as picture. So dire Fedora. So unsa ning Fedora? First and foremost, Fedora is a Linux-based operating system. So natin mga operating system like Windows system, so basta daghan na sila. Then Linux, isa po na siya operating system. In 2003, as a community distribution called the Fedora Project. It was released along with Red Hat Enterprise Linux, which was to be the next official Linux distribution after Red Hat Linux was discontinued. Its main purpose was to serve as a source of software innovations for the Hat Enterprise Linux releases. This connection between the two Linux distributions explains the origin of the Fedora name. Fedora refers to the characteristic Fedora hat used in Red Hat's Shadowman logo. So kaning Fedora is related ni siya as characteristics diri sa ato ang Red Hat's nga Shadowman logo. So sa Fedora releases, the first set of Fedora releases known as the Fedora 1 to 4 was launched within the period 2003-2005, followed by the Fedora Core 5 to 6 in 2006 and Fedora 7 in 2007. Those versions, however, are no longer supported by the Fedora projects. The following Fedora versions, Fedora 8 introduced in 2007, Fedora released in 2008, and Fedora 10 launched in 2008 are all officially supported by the Fedora project. So, mao ni siya ang kaning mga releases. So, mga karaan ni nga mga kuan sa Fedora. Karaan nga kuan sa mga versions sa operating system. So, wala naman tayo Fedora guro karon. So, before proceeding to the next topic, ask the students first on what do they think difference of system and network admin. They think is the difference of system and network administrator. So, mao ni siya. So, mao ni siya ang kaning kuan. Diri sa number 3, natay what does system administrator do? So, as a system administration, first, no precise job description. Kaya ano, as a system administrator, basta unsa nga mga issue or mga fix or dapat i-update ninyo, dapat makatuna na ninyo. So, wala gyud na precise description since daghan kay mo trabahon. Kay gamo may ga-manage or ga-administer sa inyong system. Often learn by experience. So, usually dili ninyo mabasa or makakuha mo sa YouTube pero maka-learn gid mo through experience. So kinahanglan gid mo hands-on ani. Then make things run. So as a system administrator, kung nay mga errors, bugs, ayuhon gid nimo. Fix nimo. Work behind the scenes. So every kuan gid needed gid siya ang administrator every day. So every day gid na siya since grabe ka gamit na especially if naka sa organization or sa company. Then often known as operator. So same rin sa meaning operator sa system administrator go-operate ka. Then network administrator, so as a system administrator kabalo sa networking yun kanang mga cabling inana system din napay uban nga tawag gyapon. Okay, dito sa page 5. Sa page 5 gitawag gyapon na siya kani as programmer. So ato trabaho gyapon nato siya as a programmer, same gyapon siya sa system administrator. Kay for example sa websites, so if programmer ka, so kabalo jud ka mo fix sa mga bugs sa imong websites. System manager, so nabutang gyapon ta system manager. Service engineer, nag-provide man ta og service as a system administrator. And site reliability engineer, so meaning ani site reliability engineer in kaso na yung mga issues nga makita nato diya sa on-site, automatic nato siya ma-solve or ato ma-tan-aw dito. So system administrator is a person, so may meaning sa system administrator is a person who supports sa multi-user computing environment and ensures continuous optimal performance of IT services and support system. Like kaning mga atong computers, laptops nga connected sa isa ka network, dapat na functionable na sila tanan. Na siya, muna gyud na boss sa system administrator. System administrator duties and skills. Due to the wide range of job responsibilities for system administrator, so since daho kayo ang job responsibility, so system administrator job skill requirements are often broad as salary ranges. So ang imong range sa imong salary ay magkuan gini siya sa imong experience, maka-differ gini. So nagay category kung starting pa lang ka or fresh pa lang ka. So gamay gyud na imong sildo pero magkadugay ka sa company like mabot ka og mga 10 years to 5 years, dako na ganyan siya, madagan na siya og 200,000 minana. Because tasks generally include provisioning, configuring nagini configuring and managing physical and virtual servers, as well as the software that runs on the servers and the hardware that supports them. A system administrator should feel comfortable installing and troubleshooting IT resources, establishing and managing user accounts, upgrading and patching software. So mo ni mga kasagaran ang trabahoon, no? Performing backup and recovery. For example, if nangawala ang mga files, mag-perform na sila mga backup diya. Sila may maghimo sa imong network, sa imong operating system na. So non-technical skills are equally important for system administrator because they interact with people in so many areas of IT and business. Soft skills or people skills are just necessary as hard skills. When IT service is slow or down entirely, a system must be able to work under pressure, read the situation as it unfolds, and quickly decide upon a response that yields the best result for all involved. The network administrator. So, a network administrator is responsible for keeping an organization's computer network. So, network manang gitawag siya nga network is kanang mga connectivity sa internet. Up to date and running smoothly, any company or organization that uses multiple computers or software platforms needs a network admin to coordinate different systems. Job duties of a network administrator. Unsa man? A network administrator job can be wide or narrow depending on the organization. So, kuan gini sige daghang kanang task gyud ang kanang network administrator also. Like kani kay pwede ni sila sa system, kay mo kuan man ni sila. The network administrator is para ni sila sa mga networking or mga para sa connectivity sa internet. Installing network and computer system. So mag-install sila og mga network, mag-install sila og internet or wifi or unsa pa na diha. Dahil maintaining and repairing, upgrading network and computer. So mag-upgrade sa computer, mag-fix minana. Ito number 6 ani. Tara. So diagnosing and fixing problems for potential with the network and its hardware, software systems, monitoring network and system to improve performance. So, mo na ginabuhat sa network administrator. Skill set sa ato network administrator kay nata analyzing and critical thinking. So, network admins needs to explore and solve problems logically and consistently. The ability to take the concepts you've learned in school and understand how they work and affect other concepts is the bread and butter of being a network administrator. So, is Brad Meyer. So, mo na gingon niya. System administrator at the technology advice, even if you don't need yet know the solution, he believes in critical thinking. So dapat lagi tay critical thinking nga makabalo ta og check or kana maka-cite ta kung asa ang issue or asa ang possible issue man lang. Time management. Network admins juggle several projects, people and problems simultaneously. This means essential to be organized in the present and looking ahead to prepare for what's coming next. It's like spinning plates. With a little practice, a network admin can keep everything balanced. So as a network administrator, naasad kay time management kay daghan man kaog kuno ana, daghan man kay model biya mo na mga employee, mga managers ana. Interpersonal skills, kinahanglan gid nato ng interpersonal skills kanang kabalo ta makikilubilo sa mga tao, kabalo ta unsaon pag pangutana, unsaon pag kansela ha aron solve na to ang lang problem. So network admins work with a range of people from network engineers to help desk employees and end users, explains Eric Jeffery, founder of IT solutions firm Gonjon Consulting. He says bridging the gap between diverse group of people requires patience and understanding. So ang imong interpersonal skills, dapat patience ka kana mo atubang sa customer, atubang sa imong mga ka-employee. Wa siya. Sunod, mora man guro ni siya tanan. So, discuss dito unsay role sa system administrator o diri po sa network administrator. So, maorto ta naton discussions para ani.